Today, the RCMP in Spruce Grove and Stony Plain have announced charges in last summer's drowning death of a 3-year-old boy in Mink Lake. On June 30th of last year, a 3-year-old boy tragically drowned in Mink Lake. Today, police have charged his mother, 42-year-old Carmen Gay Stewart of Edmonton, with failing to provide the necessaries of life and criminal negligence causing death. This is not an investigation that we entered into lightly, realizing the tragedy for all involved. There was a very comprehensive investigation whereby we spoke to witnesses, family members, bystanders. We put together a package and sent it to the Crown Prosecutor's office. There, they took the appropriate amount of time to review the entire package, as well as relevant case law in making the determination of which charges are appropriate. Ms. Stewart was not held in custody. She was served a summons this morning and will be appearing in Stony Plain Provincial Court later this month. I can't give any specifics with respect to what was said by witnesses that will come out during the court process. Suffice it to say, in speaking with all the people that we tracked down, there was a determination made that there was enough evidence to lay these charges. Those charges, criminal negligence causing death and failing to provide the necessaries of life, relate to a marked departure from what is reasonable. So in order to have grounds to lay those charges, one has to demonstrate a behavior that is a marked departure from what a reasonable person would expect. One thing that I really want to stress right now is, with the summer season approaching, it is critical that when children are at or near the water, parents keep them within arm's reach. We know that little ones are drawn to the water, and in order to prevent tragedies like this, it's really important to look at being trained in first aid CPR, the use of life jackets, having your children within arm's reach, knowing where they are at all times. It is a rare charge. Unfortunately, these incidents are rare as well. We don't want to see one more, but unfortunately we know that we will. Drowning is the second leading cause of death for children in Canada.